Hi everyone, Melissa here. Come on today with my Creative Times 132nd release. The sale starts now, 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And let's jump in and show you everything that's in this sale. The Springtime Paper Pack, such a beautiful set. Let me just kind of flip through this kind of quickly. Sorry for it being this way, but that's how I can get it into the picture. And hopefully you can see everything. I have been using the paper, so sorry about that. But it's a really cute paper pack. Love the tomato red, it's beautiful. Watering cans are amazing. There we go, love this one here. Just so pretty, and that is really pretty as well. Make sure you also visit my Creative Times YouTube channel, her blog and all that, and my Design Team Sisters, and I'll have those linked down below. And then there goes the last one. And then we have these watering can stamp and dies. Let me show you the stamps. And so this will come in a set of 3. So we have this one here, these here, those will coordinate with these here. These 3 items here will coordinate with the cans. And so love those. And here goes the cans right there. Got 2 different kinds. And like I said, these coordinate with the stamps, all of them. We have the 3-inch tulip die, really pretty. Love how that turned, how she made this, so you have to check out the cards that I made. And here goes the rain background. Love that. Cover plate is so pretty. That's just the perfect touch to your cards. Then we have the tulip dies. So come with 3 items in there. And the everyday word dies, and it's a total of 20 dies in each set, so you have 10 words and the shadow pieces. So we have the everyday word dies and the script everyday word dies. And this is what I showed to you on the first day. Really cute. Love the watering can and the sentiment. And I used some previous items, and I'll have all those linked down below. Or if you want to go back and check out my videos, you can see all of those. This card is beautiful with those flowers on there, the tulips. So pretty, and I added some vellum behind that to kind of calm down the paper behind it. I love how this turned out. That tomato red is so pretty. And like I said, those stamps add a little rustic feel to your card. And there goes that. And then here goes those little script dies. And I made some tags with those. And I went to her previous release and use those daisies and the foliage on a previous release, as well as those tags. Love how those turned out. The script dies were just perfect. And here goes this one here. Thinking of you with those everyday word dies is what I used there. And I chose that teacup that she had in her previous release. And then I added a few more flowers than what the tulip dies will cut out, but I wanted the cup to look full. And I added that little heart from the watering can die set. And then there goes that rain background die. Love it. Inside is pretty basic. Love that. And then here goes those beautiful 3-inch tulip flowers. I love how these turned out. Aren't those so cute? Now what I did is I went back to some of her previous releases, grabbed the foliage, and I just lined that up there and threw on some little flowers from her small flower dies, and used those everyday word dies there. So pretty. It just kind of looks like that tulips in a bed of flowers, other flowers as well. So love how that turned out. And then she has a little inside layer that you can use there too. So pretty. This one I put high on, and hello, all those colors. Now I did make envelopes to go with each one, and I also used that 3-inch envelope, the fancy envelope, to create this box. Love how that turned out. There goes that multicolored paper, and I took from the watering can die set, the Just a Note. Love how dainty that is, and it fit perfectly on that paper. And then I added one more flower there. So all of these will fit into this box with 3 envelopes. So that is her release. Make sure you head over to my Creative Times store and pick up your goodies. Use all the links down below. I'll have all of the previous products that I use along with the new ones, and the code is down below for you as well, so you can get 15% off your entire purchase. All right, thanks so much everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.